How did I get here?
Hello guys, this is Amar Khan. This is a quick tutorial on how to download Apache server. So first of all, you gotta click this link, appserver.org/download. Now this is the latest version of Apache. You don't have to download this one because this one has an error. It has a issue in connecting to the database, so we have to download the older version. To download the older version, you press here. Now this is the older version from 2016. Just press on the download button. Go 5 seconds. Now you just save the file. I already actually have it downloaded, so just go to the file directly. Yeah, so I open up the setup. Then you press next. I agree. Okay. It's the local host. Now you gotta type your password. Let's say root. Now here you just gotta click finish. Now you have successfully downloaded it and installed it. Now if you wanna make sure that it's working, just type here localhost. Yeah, here it is. Now let's test the database root and the password that you have inserted, which is root. And this is it. So you have now successfully installed the Apache server. Thank you for watching.